I'm going to show you how you can easily use Netflix on the Rave app. First, open the Rave app on your mobile device. Now tap on the Google icon to continue with your Google account. Then choose the account you want to use and tap on Continue. After that, tap Continue again when prompted. Now, you will need to enter a username for your Rave account. Once you've done that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and from the available options, select Netflix. Here, you'll be asked to log in to your Netflix account. Now enter your email or mobile number and password, then tap on Sign In. Once signed in, you'll be able to browse Netflix. Choose any series or movies you want to watch, tap on it, and then tap Play. Now, you can enjoy watching Netflix while chatting with friends or syncing with others on Rave.